Hey, this is Hugo with Coldwell Banker, and today I have a what the fuck moment in real estate. Yeah, I'm gonna start posting these what the fuck moments in real estate because shit does happen in real estate. With home buyers and sellers, they say, well, why am I paying my agent so much? Why do I have to pay them 2%, 3%, or whatever it is that agents charge? Well, this is a very good example. And today what I'm gonna explain to home buyers is that if you are planning to buy a home, from the time you're getting pre-approved with your lender till the time of closing, do not open up new credit cards. Do not try to go out there and open up loans, buy a car, buy a TV, go on a cruise, go on vacation. Do not do any of that stuff. Let's hold on and wait till the closing gets done. Let me give you an example. I was working with a really perfect son and mother. Great people. We got them a lot of credits. We got them $8,000 in closing costs. I think $10,000 in down payment assistance. They got, I think, like another $1,000 in home inspection stuff. They're basically coming to the closing table with zero down, just the $3,000 that they put in earnest money. Well, everything was going well. A week right before the closing, the lender, of course, has to double check the buyer's criteria again, maybe credit scores, maybe assets, all that stuff, because it's important for them to make sure that everything stands the way it was when they open up the pre-approval, right? Well, he just checked on everything to make sure that everything was well, and guess what? One of the buyers, for whatever reason, opened up 2 loans for $5,000. I don't know what happened. I don't know what they were thinking. Now we have to figure out how they're gonna have to do this. They either have to pay some debt or pay those loans back, or there's no deal. Now, the worst part about this is that the house, we got it for X amount, and it appraised $10,000 lower. So it took me, the attorney, a long time to renegotiate the price down and keeping the closing costs so that the buyers can still walk away with no closing costs. And we negotiated and we got everything good. We got the price down. We only took away like $1,500 from their closing costs. They're still getting $7,500. So it took us a long time to get through this. And then we found out that this happened. Again, there's a lot of people out there to say, oh, why do I have to pay my agent so much? They're not worth it. Well, yeah, we're working hard behind the scenes and you're not looking at what we're doing for you, okay? Now, I gotta put my little brain together. Yeah, it's little because I'm like in another level right now with my anxiety. Me and the lender, we have to figure something out. Unfortunately, it happens. For all the buyers out there who are thinking to buy, you guys gotta stop, hold on, buy your property, buy your home, and then go nuts. This is a what the fuck moment in real estate, and I'm sure there's a lot more horrible stories out there, and these are tips and that I'm trying to give to the home buyers out there right now. Hopefully that this deal goes through, post something in the future, but I'm just letting you guys know, do not buy anything during the home buying process.